Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can find Facebook page admin. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So before getting started, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So there are various ways to find page admin of Facebook. So I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest method on how you can find the Facebook page admin. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So first thing, you need to log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to your home page, and right on top in the right hand side corner you'll be able to see the menu option. You need to click on it. As you click on it, a menu page appears and then you'll have a list of options. So from there you need to click on pages, which will be right in between. So as you click on it, you'll be able to see the pages that you follow on your Facebook application, and from there you need to select a particular page and you'll need to select one particular Facebook page. So in order to select, all you need to do is just click on it. As you click on it, you'll be directed to their profile page. If the owner has published on their bio, you might be able to find the page admin. In case if the admin or the owner hasn't posted anything about it, then you need to click on about, which will be right on top. As you click on about, you'll be able to see a list of information, and sometimes you might be able to find the page owner right on this page, or you'll be able to find the information regarding the page owner. If you're unable to find a page owner, then what you can do is you can simply scroll down to contact info, and then you'll be able to either send them message or call them. So in order to send message, you need to click on send message, and this will direct you to the messenger page, and then you can type in the message about your query. And that is how you can find page admin on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.